Are you looking for a pull-down faucet that truly delivers, not just on performance but on real value, durability, and design excellence? You've come to the right place. You are watching Review the Best Buy, where we bring you in-depth, unbiased, and honest reviews to help you make smarter purchase decisions every time. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best pull-down faucet you can get right now, carefully tested and compared based on build quality, key features, performance, ease of use, and genuine pros and cons. Whether you're watching from anywhere around the world, our goal is simple: to guide you toward the right choice and help you invest your money wisely. And trust me, you don't want to miss the number one pick. It might just change your mind. All the latest prices and official links are listed below in the description box. Now sit back, relax, and let's dive straight into the review, only here on Review the Best Buy. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have WEWE Single Handle High Arc Brushed Nickel Pull-Out Kitchen Faucet, Single Level Stainless Steel. Sleek, smart, and surprisingly powerful, perfect for anyone looking for real value and reliability. The WEWE Single Handle High Arc Brushed Nickel Pull-Out Kitchen Faucet brings a clean, modern look to everyday cooking. Its tall arc gives plenty of space for large pots, and its pull-out sprayer helps rinse dishes with gentle, steady flow. The simple single-level design lets you control water with easy movement, and the brushed nickel finish resists spots for cleaner appearance through daily use. One benefit is that installation feels straightforward for many users, and the faucet stays stable during repeated washing sessions. Another advantage is the flexible hose, which moves smoothly around the sink area and helps reach corners without effort. A possible drawback is that the sprayer pressure may feel moderate for users who prefer strong force during deep cleaning jobs. Another concern is that the finish may need light care to avoid water spots in homes with heavy daily use. Still, the faucet offers reliable value because it balances simple style, smooth function, and comfortable reach for meal prep and cleanup. It works well for families, renters, and new homeowners who want a faucet that feels easy to use and pleasant to maintain. The motion of the handle feels smooth, and the sprayer switch makes it simple to change between stream and spray modes during quick tasks. If you want a kitchen faucet that blends style, comfort, and function, this model offers a strong mix for many household needs. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description below. Moving up the list, number 4 is where design meets innovation. Coming in at number 4, we have OWOFAN Kitchen Faucet with Pull-Down Sprayer Brushed Nickel Stainless Steel One-Handle Pull. Known for its cutting-edge features and solid performance that users around the world are loving. The OWOFAN Kitchen Faucet with Pull-Down Sprayer brings a simple blend of style, comfort, and everyday convenience that fits kitchens in the USA and around the world while helping with cooking and cleaning tasks that many of us do daily. The brushed nickel stainless steel body gives a clean, modern look that suits most decor, while the single handle lets you adjust water flow smoothly with one motion and reach into deep pots or tall containers with ease. Pull-down sprayer makes washing dishes and rinsing vegetables or fruit more efficient and helps reach corners of the sink that fixed faucets might struggle with. On the plus side, the faucet feels sturdy and well-built, the spray and stream modes switch smoothly, and the ergonomic design lowers fatigue during long cooking sessions. It also installs with standard sink fittings, which makes it a practical option for renters or homeowners upgrading their kitchen. On the downside, some users may notice that water pressure depends on home plumbing, which can affect flow, and the shiny finish may show water spots or fingerprints if not wiped regularly, which adds light upkeep. Still, overall, it delivers a reliable, user-friendly experience for families, couples, or busy kitchens where ease and flexibility matter. If you are looking for a faucet that balances comfort, practicality, and clean style, this model offers a solid and thoughtful choice for many kitchens worldwide. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. Alright, things are getting really exciting now. Our number 3 pick is one that's loved by thousands worldwide. At number 3, FORIOUS Kitchen Faucets with Pull-Down Sprayer Brushed Nickel High Arc Single Handle. It delivers premium performance, outstanding comfort, and a look that never goes out of style. The FORIOUS Kitchen Faucet with Pull-Down Sprayer offers a clean, modern look and practical flexibility that feels at home in kitchens across the USA and around the world. Its high arc spout gives plenty of clearance for tall pots and large dishes, and the brushed nickel finish blends well with many decor styles while resisting rust and spots. The single handle makes water flow and temperature adjustments simple and intuitive, which helps speed up everyday cooking and cleanup. A major benefit is the pull-down sprayer, which extends reach inside the sink for rinsing vegetables, washing large cookware, or filling buckets, a real plus for home cooks, renters, and busy families. The faucet feels sturdy, and the spray toggles smoothly between stream and spray modes for versatile use. On the downside, water pressure depends on your home plumbing, which may affect flow, and in some locations the spray might feel gentler than expected. Another point is that the shiny surface may show fingerprints or watermarks more readily, requiring occasional wiping to keep the finish neat. Also, while installation is manageable for many users, small leaks may appear if the base sealing is not fitted properly, so a bit of care is required at setup. Still, for those who want a faucet that combines everyday comfort, modern looks, and useful reach, this model offers a balanced solution for kitchens of many sizes. Its mix of easy operation and flexible spray makes daily chores smoother. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. We're almost at the top, and this next one is a runner-up at number 2, KRAUS Oletto High Arc Single-Handle Pull-Down Kitchen Sink Faucets Black Stainless Steel with Pull-Down Sprayer. Built with precision and innovation, it's a powerhouse that professionals absolutely trust. The KRAUS Oletto High Arc Single-Handle Pull-Down Kitchen Sink Faucet in sleek black stainless steel brings a blend of modern design, reliable performance, and practical flexibility that suits kitchens across the USA and around the world. Tall spout offers generous clearance, which makes washing tall pots and filling large containers much easier, and the smooth single-handle control allows water flow and temperature adjustments with one fluid motion for quick cooking cleanup tasks. Pull-down sprayer extends reach across the sink, which helps rinse dishes, vegetables, or clean corners with ease, and the black stainless finish gives a contemporary look while resisting rust and minor scrapes for everyday durability. One real benefit is how stable and smooth the sprayer feels when switching between spray and stream modes, which makes daily washing more comfortable and efficient. Another advantage is the faucet's solid construction and sturdy feel that gives confidence when handling heavy cookware or frequent use. On the downside, the finish may show water spots or fingerprints if not wiped regularly, which means you might spend a little time maintaining its look. Also, water pressure can vary depending on household plumbing, and in some settings the spray may feel less forceful than some users expect, which can slow down tough cleaning jobs. Despite these minor drawbacks, the KRAUS Oletto faucet delivers a thoughtful balance of style, convenience, and steady performance that makes everyday kitchen work feel smoother and more enjoyable. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. And here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. The absolute best of the best. At number 1, Delta ESSA Brushed Nickel Kitchen Faucet with Pull-Down Sprayer Modern Single-Hole Kitchen Sink Faucet. This one redefines what performance really means. Unmatched build quality, user satisfaction, and a reputation that speaks louder than words. The Delta ESSA Brushed Nickel Kitchen Faucet brings a clean, modern feel and practical everyday use to kitchens in the USA and around the world because it blends style, flexibility, and dependable water flow in one thoughtful package. Its tall, curved spout gives enough room for washing large pots and filling tall containers, while the smooth single-hole design keeps installation simple and elegant even in compact sink areas. Pull-down sprayer extends reach across the sink to rinse dishes, wash vegetables, or clean hard-to-reach corners with ease. The faucet feels solid and well-built, while the brushed nickel finish resists water spots and fingerprints better than shiny surfaces, which helps it stay looking neat without frequent polishing. A clear benefit is how smoothly the sprayer switches between stream and spray modes, offering flexibility depending on what you are doing, gentle rinsing or deeper cleaning. On the downside, water pressure depends on your home plumbing, so the flow may feel weaker in certain conditions, and while the finish resists marks, it may still show light water streaks if not wiped after every use. Another point is that the high arc design may need enough clearance above the sink area, which could cause problems in compact or low cabinet kitchens. Even with these minor considerations, the Delta ESSA faucet delivers a balanced mix of comfort, utility, and neat design that suits everyday cooking and cleaning tasks with ease and style. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one where we help you buy smart and live better.